baby, it's a wide world. Na-na-na-na-na-na-na. It's hard to get by just upon a smile, girl. Dun, 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 dun. Now that I've lost everything on you, you said you want to stop. All right, everybody, day 90 on the Appalachian Trail through hiking adventure. We made it to Pinnacle Rock here, which is about 1,500 feet, which is a good kind of location to celebrate 90 days on the trail. As you can see in the background, we have nice, lovely rolling hills and valleys and farmlands, and there is an awful lot of rocks up here, as you can see all around us. This very rocky Rocksylvania rocks. So yeah, day 90. Having a good day, making some good miles. We're going to be hitting up a shelter tonight that actually has a shower in it, which is good. Both of us, both kind of, whatever this means. Maybe this is more, oh, I'm getting hand. So yeah, day 90 from Pinnacle Rock, 1,500 feet up. I'm going to give you an over and
This has been a Steady Yeti production. Goodbye.